Want to know how you can highlight every other cell in Excel? Well, then check this out. First, select your data range. Then, inside the Home tab, click on Conditional Formatting and select New Rule. Next, we have to select the rule type. Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Now, in here, we combine the formulas mode and row and make that equal to 1, just like that. All right, now before clicking on OK, we go to Format, click on Fill, and in here we select a color. For instance, let's choose this green right here, then click on OK, and on OK again. There you go. Now we have highlighted every other cell. But wait. Since you are still here, let me show you an even better solution. Instead of going through these steps, you can just click inside your data set and use the shortcut Control plus T to transform it into a table. And there you go. Every other line is now highlighted, and you can even change table style and select the color you like. Oh, before I forget, make sure to follow us for daily Excel tips and tricks.